Πιστεύετε είτε όχι, δηλώσεις για την επίσκεψη του Πάπα στην Ελλάδα έκανε στο CNN η κυρία Λουκά.
I don't want Pap. I don't want Pap. Pap is killer. Killer in a war, in the war in Serbia. I don't want Pap. I don't want Pap.
Μόνο εμείς όμως, κυρίες και κύριοι, τα καθάρματα του Αμάν, έχουμε ολόκληρη τη δήλωση της θεούσας Λουκά στο CNN.
I don't want Pap. Pap is killer. Oh, Antichrist. Oh, Antichrist. Oh, Antichrist. Who's from here? Oh, 666. Oh, 666. Oh, 666. Papa's is a two-handed master. Papa, go home. Papa, don't preach. Papa was a Rolling Stone. Papa goes to Hollywood. 666, the number of the beast. 666, the number of the Pap. Hey, Pap, are you talking to me? Talking to me? To me? Papa, be careful because, Luca, sometimes kills for the Christ. Sometimes kills for the religion. But you, Pap, I'll kill you for nothing.